Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to discuss about system of linear equations. Okay, so here we will see how to solve system of linear equation. Let's say we have equations like this and like this, and we have to solve these equations. Okay, today in this video, in later part, I will also be discussing the augmented matrix method to solve the equation, number of variable. Okay, this method, and in 12th we have discussed matrix method to solve the equation, ax equals to b, x equals to a inverse b, that way. And also one another method we have used, that was elementary root transformation method. Okay, so this method is also something like that, but we also here we discuss augmented, what is augmented matrix. Okay, so first let us discuss the number of variables versus number of equations. Means how much variables we have with in respect to the number of equations, and which which uh, uh, which way is better, which way is better to solve the equation. And I'm going to talk about how to solve square matrices. Square matrices means, I want to say that the number of variables are equals to number of equations, because in this case we will get square matrix. Okay, let's see by example. For example, this is the equation. Okay, x plus 2y minus z equals to minus 10, 2x minus 3y plus 2z equals to 2, x plus y plus 3z equals to 0. So this is the equation. Okay, we have. So now what we do is we can represent it in matrix: 1 2 minus 1, 2 minus 3 2, 1 1 3. This is minus 10 2 or 0. Okay, so this is square matrix, because number of equations equals to number of variables. Okay, so if we have number of equation equals to number of variable, in that case we can easily find the unique solution. So how can I find the unique solution? If I want to find the unique solution of these three equations, so it will be very difficult by using substitution method, matrix method, and any other method which we have learned till now. So but I want to solve this equation, but in the easy method, but by the easy method. So before I solve this, I want to solve one equation, that is this. Okay, let me: x plus y plus z equals to 8, 2y plus z equals to 5, 3z equals to 9. So we can let represent into matrix form: 1 1 1 0 2 1 0 0 3, and this is 8 5 9. Okay, here I can see that in this matrix we are getting upper triangular matrix. This is upper triangular matrix, and we can easily solve this. By z we can get from here, then put there, we get y, then put there both value, we can get x. Okay, it is very easy to solve this equation. But what I am saying is, if anyhow I convert this equation in this type of equation, means upper triangular matrix, means if I convert this matrix into this type of matrix, then I can get the equivalent equations which will look like this, the equivalent equations of this which will look like this, and will get and give the same unique solution. Okay, now what I am going to do, what I am going to tell you is augmented matrix. Okay, so what is augmented matrix? So this is, we have the example. So x plus 2y minus z equals to minus 10. Okay, 2x minus 3 plus 2z equals to 2, plus 2z equals to 2. Okay, 2x minus 3 plus 2z equals to 2, and x plus y plus 3z equals to 0. X plus 3y plus z equals to 0. X plus y, only y, plus 3z equals to 0. Okay, x plus 2y minus z, 2x minus 3y plus 2z, x plus y plus 3z. Okay, good. We have this equation. So now what I want to is to solve. Let's first make it augmented matrix. Then I will tell you the other things. Okay. So this 1 2 minus 1 2 minus 3 2 1 1 3. This is my this is my matrix. A matrix. This is called coefficient matrix. This is called coefficient matrix. Okay. And B matrix is minus 10 to 0. This is called right hand side vector. Right hand side vector matrix. Okay. And now what I am going to do is I am going to do something adding these two matrices. Okay, minus 10 to 0. This is called augmented matrix. What is this? This is just a representation. Why is this? Because we can easily solve the equations using this representation. We can easily solve this by using this representation. This is just a representation to solve the equation is easy way. So how we are going to deal with it? Okay, so I want to solve this equation. This equation I want to solve. I have converted this into augmented matrix. Now I will do some row transformation, elementary row transformation. So what things are allowed, permitted to use? So the things which are permitted to use are addition, and addition means addition or subtraction of rows means okay, I will use and I will tell you in the while doing. Okay, we can use that. We can interchange the rows, and we can multiply any real number except 0 into any whole row. Okay, so what I want to make it is something like this. This is element 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 element. No, this is 0 0 0, something like this. Okay, I want to make this, and then I will interpret this when it will become this to the equivalent equations, and then we will solve those equations because those equations are very easy to solve. Okay, so let's solve. Okay, so let's solve करते हैं देखें. Okay, so what can you do is okay, let's solve it. So इसको 0 बनाते हैं, इसको 0 बनाते हैं in the second step. तो what I am doing is R3 goes to R2, sorry, R3 minus R1, and R2 में भी लगा सकते हैं बिकॉज साइमल्टेनियसली हम दो में लगा सकते हैं. जैसे हम वहाँ पे जब 12th में थे, जब दो में लगा पाते थे, वैसे ही यहाँ पर भी दो में ही लगा पाएंगे. इसको भी 0 बता, यानी R2 minus 2R1. So such type of operations we can easily use here. Okay, this is the thing. Now make it 0. Anyhow make it 0. I am giving you idea how I will make it 0 is R3 10 to R3 plus 2R, no, R1 by 2. Okay, R1 by 2. Let's do it. So all R, I will change this, I will get this thing also change from 0, so which I don't want, so I will remove this operation. I will not do this operation. So what I will do is, so my next operation will be from R3 to R3, but we have to make it 0, but anyhow minus R2 by 7. Okay, let's apply this R2 by 7. Are you understanding why I am using R2 by 7? Because this by 7 will become 1, and plus 1 minus 1 0, I will get 0, and this 0 will not affect this anyway. So let's make this, let's do it. So now what we'll do is, the important part now comes. So we have this equation. So what was the benefit of augmented? Because we can easily doing the operations, we can see all these operations, we can easily doing these operations without any problem. Okay, so now finally I am going to interpret this thing into equation. So that will be x plus 2y minus z equals to minus 10 minus 7y plus 4z equals to 22, and minus 24 by 7 z is equals to 48 by 7. So now what the thing is, come here is z equals to minus 2, and put this value here, we will get y. Put the y and z there, we will get x. So this was the easy way to solve three equations in three variable. Okay, this was a okay, easy way to solve three equations in the three variable. Okay, so now I have taught you all things. Okay, so you can easily solve these equation. There may be some calculation mistake, but the concept was the concept was right and true. Okay, tricks. One important thing, last one important thing which I want to tell you, the thing is we can go more forward, means we can go more forward by using these similar steps to get the matrix like augmented matrix, like something here 0 0, something 0, something here, and 0 means 1 2 or 3. Okay, something like this, and here will we get something like this 4 5 6. Okay, so now from here we can easily get the answer, directly get the wow. How interpret this is x, this is y, this is z. So x plus 0y plus 0z, this is equals to 4. 0x into okay, this is 2y is equals to 5. 0 0 0 3z equals to 6. Directly got the answer. So did you got the concept of augmented matrix? That why nothing, just a representation way to solve the matrices, equations using matrices very simply. Okay, that was the only good thing of this augmented matrix. So thank you guys, and hope you see you in the next video.